While it is easy to purchase various Christmas decorations, over the years, my friends and I have also experimented with making Christmas decorations using wood, wire, and lights. This year, we are going to attempt to make lighted outdoor Christmas trees using PVC pipes. Okay, here's what we're going to use to make these Christmas trees. Very simple. A length of PVC that we are going to cut into 6-foot lengths, and then some T's, a cap, some electrical tape, and another length of plastic hose 10 foot in length that will be used to form the base. So you'll see what we're doing as we go along. Right, oh, right. And we drill in there. We're drilling in the center where we'll put some screws, which you will see going in a bit later, and you'll understand why we drilled in the center. In the interim, we've used the electrical tape to give a sort of candy cane effect to the, well, let's call it the poles that will make up the Christmas tree. Still have to do the other two, and then you'll see. You don't have to do the candy cane effect. You could leave the poles plain, but just to add a little style, we started, and we'll put the candy cane effect on this using the electrical tape. Right, okay. So now let me explain.
Let me dress up good, man.
You should have dressed up good?
Yeah.
Yeah, dress up good enough, man. All right, so we took the blue and made a circle using that connector, and then we put the T's. Well, before we made the circle, we put the T's in, and then the pipe, the PVC pipe, goes into the T connectors, and then we're gonna pull it up to make like a tripod. Aye. And the cap going to fit there. But to hold it in, I'm going to use the Nah, don't screw it yet. I'm going to use the tape just to keep it together. Yeah, let me go and get the tape. So we use the masking tape to hold the top together. That's a temporary holding, and that cap is going to go on it, and you'll see in a while. We have to drill some holes to drill the cap, some screws through the cap into the PVC to keep it firm. All right. Okay. And now we're putting in the screws in the cap and screwing straight into the PVC to hold the cap tightly. See, yes, very tightly onto the PVC. Very tightly on. And we adjusting the base. That ain't looking circular.
That ain't circular at all.
No. And adjust the base to make sure it's circular, and then to keep the shape, we drill some screws. Nah, you make it. You ain't do it even.
We don't measure it.
All right. So now we've cut some 9-inch lengths of the same 1/2-inch PVC and put them into the other part of the T-junction. And that is to keep it off the ground a little. You know, that way when you're mowing your lawn or having the wackerman come around, the lights would be touching the ground, and next thing the wackerman breaks your lights. So those legs will go into the ground a little way to keep it firm, but also to keep the base a bit off the ground, so that it won't get cut when you're cutting your lawn, and it won't soak in water if you get heavy rainfall. Okay, this is the finished product. In all, it took us about an hour to make, because stringing the lights took a while. In all, the frame costs approximately $150 TT in material to make, and we used 7 strings of lights. In fact, the lights is where the real cost is. The frame was cheaper to make than the lights itself. We're gonna make at least 2 more, and you'll see the finished product in my Trinidad Christmas houses video, because I will be producing that video this year. There are people who have invited me to come and see their houses. One man is sending me the video so I don't have to do all that amount of driving. But you'll see how the yard looks with several of these in it. As I say, that'll be in the Trinidad Christmas Houses 2023 video.